Carly, stop with that.
Carly, kitty.
You can't hit that spot. You got a problem, girl.
My little lion. Good baby boy.
Hey, hold on.
Photo time, sweetie. Come on.
Little lioness.
She loves you. She so loves you. Look at her. Isn't she funny?
You're so good, a happy camper, aren't you? You a happy camper? Oh, Emma's gonna put her foot in it now.
Look at Emma. She's like, give me a fucking belly rub.
I don't want to, Daddy.
Oh, you two are something.
Oh, boy, I'm sorry.
I like the way they left the hair on the feet. Left the lion.
She looks like a little poodle.
Yeah.
Little poodle cat.
Carly.
Oh, yay. Oh, you don't want a picture. All right, Mike.
Okay, we're out of here. Say hi to YouTube.
Next,
Good fishing day.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see. Maybe not next Saturday, but the Friday and the Monday.
Okay, we're going to catch what?
A nook.
Catch
Okay,
a fish.
Chinook.
Should